256 gigabytes, 20 gigabytes, which is 12 plus 8 gigabytes of RAM. The S100 Pro has a camping light. It has 20,000 milliamp hour battery. 20,200 milliamp hour battery. Wow. That is some size of phone. Wow. So this is, in effect, your very own portable power station. And here's is going to be the appeal to people who are going camping. This is fully IP68 or IP69K, which is the very highest standard of water and dust protection that you can have, with a military standard 8110, again, protection that you can have there as well. This is an absolute, well, I thought the V30T was an absolute mammoth, but this one, wow, that's big. Let's get that next to, this is the V30T. You can see, oh wow, that's just all battery. It doesn't actually, surprisingly, not too much of a fuss in terms of its heaviness. One thing that I would think for them is, guys, like, you're applying to this thing in the factory, just make this a screen protector. So why not just apply this in the factory? That is not another screen protector, but that might as well be a screen protector. So I talked a bit when I reviewed the V30T about who that was really for. And I talked about that's people who will need all day battery life, perhaps for their job. And I almost think it's not going to be bought by individual people, but more by organisations that need to provide their workers, especially if you're working all day in the field somewhere, if you're out delivering, if you're out on foot. The V30T is more for work. These are more for people, these are more for individuals who want to play in the great outdoors, let's say. So I would suggest these are for people who want to go out camping and want to take with them something with them which they know is going to last for an expedition, and it will. 20 milliamp hours is absolutely insane, and especially if you are someone who in your downtime, in your tent or in your vehicle, and if you're someone who wants to play games, then this should be the chipset for you. I will get some games installed on here, which is not something that I often do. I'm not someone who regularly plays computer games on their phones, but to try these out faithfully for what they're designed for, I feel I must give them a go as the gaming phone, as I say, they are designed to be. So suggestions in the comments for the full review, which games you want to know how they run on here, always welcome. So use big bubbles to chase little bubbles is the idea. Bubbles are temporary, placement is not. I haven't got the placement quite right into the corner there. So wow, look at the size of that. That's phenomenal. And one of the greatest features about that is this camping light here at the back. Incredible cameras, 108 megapixel main camera, 20 megapixel night vision camera, and 16 megapixel ultra wide, and a 32 megapixel front camera as well. Side fingerprint recognition, I always like that. £400, or $400 is what the list price is here. 10% discount in the description if you look down there now.